In our last two videos, we talked about this amazing OdinLake ergonomic chair and all of the ergonomic pieces I got to upgrade my work from home space. I will say, however, that no matter what you do, even the best chair in the world cannot fully save you from back pain, neck pain, or shoulder pain, because no matter how great the chair is, if you don't get up and move around from time to time, you're gonna be in pain no matter what. So really, let's talk about how you use your chair and how you work, as well as what the chair is doing for you. OdinLake sent us this really amazing ergonomic chair to review, and you can check out that review here. And then I upgraded my office with all these great ergonomic tools, and they really have allowed me to work longer with less pain, right? Which is fabulous. However, part of that is from having a long history of habits around taking breaks often. And one of the things that I have told clients for 2 decades is to set timers, and every 30 to 40 minutes to get up from your chair and take a break, right? And walk around a little bit. And I know I'm out of frame right now, and Harry, our videographer, is like smirking and going like, oh, damn it. But I just want to show you that like you have to be able to get up and move around when you're working. Like the OdinLake chair is pretty cool for this for a few reasons, because it does have the ability, for instance, to recline, which does allow you to give certain muscle groups a little bit of a break. You can give your hip flexors a little bit of a break, stretch them out a little bit. You can give your neck a little bit of a break by doing this. You can spin around and move around in your chair, and that helps move around. But ultimately, nothing really beats just getting up out of your chair a lot more often than you probably are doing. So I think I said this in the OdinLake review. One of the downsides of having a really good, comfortable ergonomic chair is that you will find yourself sitting far, far longer in it. And that is one of the things that I have found, is that prior to this, I would never be able to sit longer than 30 or 40 minutes without needing to take a break, because a chair would make me get out of it because of my psoriatic arthritis. However, this chair actually does now require me to set alarms and make myself take breaks, because it is that comfortable, which is a bonus, but it's also a little bit of a warning, right? Because you do, no matter how great the chair is, or how great your ergonomic stuff is, or how great your office set is, you really shouldn't sit for more than 30 or 40 minutes at a time without at least a minute of getting up and walking around and doing some stretching. Even just that 1 minute of getting up, going to the bathroom, or getting up, doing a little light stretching, getting some water, will reset your musculature, reset your nervous system, allow your fascial system to stretch and move again. And then when you get back in the chair, you sort of start from zero again, and you won't just congeal into this sitting position. And so that's just a really big PSA from me. I've said it for years to all of my clients. I say it to you. Get up from your chair. Lecture over. In closing, this is a great chair. These are great devices. Setting alarms and getting up from moving will probably keep you from hurting a lot. And if you practice those habits and get into that habit throughout your workday, that's probably going to do about 80 to 90% of the heavy lifting to keep you out of back pain, neck pain, and shoulder pain. That being said, there's still a multitude of things that could cause you to have those problems in a way that won't solve them without some extra help. And if you're in that situation and you're in New York City, that's what we do. And so if you are in New York City and you're having back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, any pain, and you want to book a session with us, check out our website in the links below, bodyworksdw.com. Book a medical massage with any of our staff, and we can definitely help you. And so have a great day, and see you soon.